Welcome to Healthy Golden Years, your trusted place for senior wellness and vitality. Are you tired of waking up in the middle of the night just to rush to the bathroom? Does your sleep feel broken and restless? Well, what if we told you that one simple change in your bedtime drink can make a huge difference? Today, we'll reveal what seniors over 60 should drink instead of plain water before bed, and why it helps you sleep through the night, wake up refreshed, and even support your bladder and joints. So, if you're over 60, don't skip this video. Your deep sleep may depend on it. Let's begin with an important truth. As we age, our bladder becomes more sensitive and holds less urine. In fact, over 70% of adults over 60 experience nocturia, a condition where you wake up one or more times at night to urinate. But why does this happen? The kidneys produce more urine at night. The bladder muscles weaken with age, and drinking plain water right before bed flushes through your system quickly. This combination results in that frustrating 2 a.m. wake-up that ruins your deep sleep. And poor sleep doesn't just make you tired, it affects your memory, balance, blood pressure, and even your mood. Now, this might sound strange coming from a health channel, but skipping plain water at night can actually help you sleep better. Why? Because water is rapidly processed by your kidneys. Within 30 to 60 minutes, it starts filling your bladder. So if you drink water right before lying down, your body's natural response is to wake up and relieve it. What's the smarter alternative? A calming, bladder-friendly, herbal drink that hydrates without overstimulating your kidneys. Let's talk about that. So, what's the one bedtime drink seniors over 60 should try? Chamomile tea. Yes, this ancient flower is more than just calming. It's a natural sleep booster and bladder relaxer. Here's why it's ideal. Mild diuretic. It helps regulate fluid gently, not trigger urgent urination. Anti-inflammatory. Calms your bladder lining and digestive tract. Natural sedative. It contains apigenin, a compound that reduces anxiety and promotes restful sleep. Caffeine-free. Unlike green or black tea, it won't stimulate your bladder or heart. Want variety? You can also try peppermint tea for digestion, and sleep lemon balm tea reduces anxiety and helps the nervous system. Rooibos tea, rich in antioxidants and bladder soothing. Just make sure they're caffeine-free and taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed, not right before lying down. Here's a simple nighttime drink recipe that hydrates you gently and supports deep sleep. Golden chamomile night tea ingredients: 1 chamomile tea bag or 1 TBSP dried chamomile, 1/4 TSP turmeric natural. Anti-inflammatory: 1/2 TSP honey optional, cup warm water, a few chamomile petals or mint for garnish optional. Instructions: boil water and pour over chamomile and turmeric. Let steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Add honey if desired. Sip slowly 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Not only does this help your bladder, but turmeric reduces joint pain and inflammation, another reason some seniors wake up during the night. Here's a quick list of drinks to avoid before bedtime. Plain water, large amounts, coffee or black tea. Caffeine lasts 6 to 8 hours. Alcohol disrupts REM sleep and dehydrates. Soda or sugary juices can spike blood sugar and irritate bladder. Citrus-based drinks can make bladder more acidic and active. Remember, your kidneys work around the clock. What you drink 1 to 2 hours before bed directly affects your sleep. Besides changing your drink, here are more senior-specific tips to reduce night urination. Go to the bathroom twice before bed, once 30 minutes before, and again right before sleeping. Elevate your legs for 30 minutes. In the evening, helps drain fluid from your lower body. Before bedtime, limit salty snacks after 7 p.m. Salt causes water retention. Reduce evening fluid intake after 7 p.m. Shift your hydration earlier in the day. Track your meds. Some blood pressure pills act as diuretics and should be taken earlier. Quality sleep isn't just about comfort, it's about longevity. Did you know that poor sleep in seniors is linked to increased risk of falls, higher rates of dementia, weakened immune function, heart disease, and blood pressure spikes? Just one full night of uninterrupted sleep can improve your memory, reduce morning stiffness, lower stress hormones, support bladder health and digestion. So don't treat it as a luxury. Treat it as a daily health necessity. Sometimes night wake-ups can be a sign of something more serious. See your doctor if you wake up 3+ times a night regularly, you experience burning or urgency, you feel pressure in the bladder even after peeing, you have blood in your urine or unusual leakage. These might be signs of infection, enlarged prostate in men, or overactive bladder. But for most healthy seniors, just changing your bedtime drink can make all the difference. So there you have it. Skip plain water before bed and choose a calming herbal drink instead. It's a small change, but it can help you sleep deeper, wake up refreshed, avoid bladder urgency, and feel more energetic the next day. Try it for just 1 week and see the difference for yourself. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. This simple advice could make someone's night and life better. Thanks for watching Healthy Golden Years. Sleep well and stay strong.